Why did the kid throw a stick of butter out the window? To see the butterfly. You're welcome. Good morning, MBFers. So this morning, I feel like having an English muffin. Not an egg McMuffin, an ash McMuffin. A lot of times when I put a video up of me preparing my breakfast, there's a viewer specifically who always says he enjoys having breakfast with Ash. So this part of today's segment is going to be called Breakfast with Ash. Let's get cooking. By the way, do you guys like my new nightgown? Let me show you. I got it for $5 after Christmas. Pretty happy about that. Then we'll get on to the Ash McMuffin. Voila, and it's really soft. Before we start cooking, there's something very important we need. Coffee. We always need coffee before we start anything else. Oh yeah, now I can cook. Oh shoot. Alright, so for the Ash McMuffin, I have my egg cooking. I have my English muffin in the toaster. I'm going to use 1 slice of cheddar and 2 slices of salami. It's gonna be good. Hopefully I'm making you guys hungry. You can go out shopping and buy some whatever it is I guess you want on your English muffin. And would you please do me a favor and call it an Ash McMuffin when you make one. This is weird. This one's like all falling apart. Package. They usually come out really easily. What the heck? It opened weird. It's not me. It's not me. It's you. I'm saying that to the cheese. This stuff is so good. I mean, how could salami not be good, really? Thank you for this food. Bless for our bodies. Use your name, we pray. Ow. This wood is so wet because we didn't stack it like right away, or didn't cover it right away, I should say. And we got so much rain, and then we'd get like a ton of snow, and then it would melt, and then it would turn to rain basically and melt all the snow on top of the wood. So she's a sizzling away. So the Christmas season is over, and the last thing I have to do is finish taking down Christmas decorations. I have most of them down, but this tree has got to go. Got to get packed away.
Whoa! Ready? Okay, so we're going to take a walk back now. Check the trail cams if they're guaranteed they're dead.
Yeah.
But going to check what's on them up to the point of them dying.
This crazy weather, it just kills the batteries.
Listen. You just overtalked. I stopped literally listening to what they're saying to us. There was birds talking.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, the cold weather, and they're not the most like high quality trail cams. One of them's not too bad. They're not bad.
Yeah.
But I found the batteries are dying pretty quick. I had the original one. Man, that thing would last forever. The one I had at the last place. Mm-hmm. And it actually wasn't that expensive either. It was made by Wild Game Innovations. And it wasn't even that fancy, but that one holds up pretty good. But the other ones, they do not.
Yeah, but probably the cold weather.
And that one's getting older, so it actually doesn't anymore either. But it's the cold weather definitely kills them. And then especially the weird weather lately has been like snow, then ice, then some water. Like it's water, it's everything. So then, whatever. I'm going to get them out. Bottom line, they're dying.
They're dying.
I'm going to take them out of there for a couple months. Mm-hmm. Maybe I'll pop one back out in a bit when I really want to look. But we'll see. The bears are sleeping and all that anyways now, so.
So there's not a lot of action anyway.
Yeah, we'll get them back up as soon as the weather starts. It's good. We're going into the coldest part of the season.
Yeah.
As soon as the coldest part stops, then I'll do it.
Yeah.
All right, let's go get them.
Oh, yeah.
It's pretty low.
It's really low. Put my hood on in case I fall. I don't think I can. No. Watch you do it.
Oh man, remember I told my.
Yeah. No.
Not having it.
We ain't what we used to be.
You kind of got to warm up to go that low.
I feel like it.
I just pulled my hip. It actually hurts. Oh, I think I came here. Oh yeah, it might be warm enough today to untie it. I couldn't
That's what
get
I
it
was
untied.
just thinking. Is thank God it warmed up today.
That's what I came last time to take it,
Yeah.
and it was frozen. I was like, well, I don't want to cut that tree down.
Yeah.
Because, like, if I didn't want to
maple?
cut my strap, I meant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All good. Today we picked a good day.
Yeah. Good day today.
Yeah.
Look, it's just being held on by itself.
It is a
like-
little frozen then, eh?
Well, I mean, it's still frozen. I just meant
Yeah.
it's not.
Yeah.
Probably to a lot of people, it's terribly cold. Right?
Oh, for sure. It was probably below zero, but who knows?
It's definitely below zero. I just meant, like, for, like, comparatively. It's
Yeah.
not in the minus 20s or something.
No. Yesterday, I think it went up to 2 degrees. That was nice.
It's nice and warm.
Yeah. It's like bathing suit weather.
You literally were in it.
I was in my bathing suit in the hot tub.
Yeah. Yeah. This one here, I think this has been dead for a long time. I don't even think there's a card in it. Oh, there's a card. Maybe it was,
Maybe something will have shown up.
Yeah.
We'll see.
It's only 2 out here. I took the other one quite a while ago that was in the area there. Not sure where it is, but I took it.
I know where it is.
And the one I cut off.
Yeah.
So you know where both are?
No. No, I know. I don't know which one I took, but I took
Let's
one of
walk
them.
up there and
And
go
see.
in that way
Just
to make
see.
sure.
Yeah.
It's nice that a lot of the snow went way down.
Yeah, or we wouldn't be able to walk through here.
No, in a couple weeks you won't be able to.
No.
And then it won't go away.